How to sign up for Binance account. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are looking for a way to create a Binance account, then signing up is quick and gives you access to cryptocurrency trading, buying and selling digital assets, and other Binance services. First of all, download and install the Binance application on your device, or you may also visit the Binance website, and then once you come across this page, tap on sign up/login from the top. Now, while registering for your account, you'll need to go ahead and enter your email address or your phone number. Go ahead and type in a valid email address in the text box provided. Make sure to type in your own email you have an access to. Once you do that, make sure that you've checked this little square box and tap on register. You can also sign up using your existing Google account if you want to do so. I'm just going to go ahead and enter the email and tap register. On the next page, you'll need to verify your email. You'll receive a 6-digit verification code sent to you via your email. Go ahead and open your email inbox and you'll receive an email from Binance. Type in the code that has been given to you in the text box. And then on the next page, you'll be asked to create a password. Create a password including these criteria at the bottom. Create a password which will be easier for you to remember next time, but difficult for others to guess. Now click continue. Now go ahead and answer some of the questions out there, or you can also skip that for now. And now select your country of residence. Choose the document type you want to get verified with and click continue. Now after selecting the document type, on the next page you'll need to verify your document. Take a picture of your document as shown on the image, or upload your photos of the document by choosing the next option and click continue. After verifying your document, you'll be able to access the full range of Binance features and services. You can also skip the document verification process for now by clicking on the cross icon at the top right corner and do it later on. Right after you do that, you have successfully created a Binance account. You can now go ahead and secure your account by enabling two-factor authentication next and begin exploring Binance's feature. So that's how you sign up for a Binance account, super quick and easy. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.